Hi there. Yesterday I was poor. I had nothing. But today I found how to make money with Midjourney and already earned my first $1 million. Wow! And since I'm the kindest, the most selfless person in the world, I can't wait to share my top secret money-making methods with all of you. She lies. They do too. And I just want you to stop watching all these videos. Just stop it. You can sell art generated by Midjourney AI. So you want to sell art generated by Midjourney? Cool. But let's break down the reality. It's not that easy that you think, because creating content is just the first step. How people will find your pieces of art? How will you compete? Do you have enough money on ads? Or maybe you already have a loyal audience that will buy your art anyway? No, you don't. So good luck with that. And you were thinking Etsy, right? Etsy it is. Let's see. Here are prints. We have 6 million results, and for example, this one was created by Midjourney. It's no brainer. Probably this one as well. I don't know. So we have a lot of people who are trying to sell those. Jesus. And you can see that it's not that easy, because most of these shops, they have 0 reviews. They have 1-2 sales that, again, my theory, were made by the seller. Maybe not, but still 2 sales. For example, this store, they're selling a few pieces of art, digital prints. There is nothing in the text that says that it was created by Midjourney, but they have tried to make it about a theme. For example, here we can see Jesus, heaven, all these things. So they did something, they put some effort, but still they are struggling. You see 2 sales. That's not that easy. Although they did a few mock-ups, beautiful mock-ups. They look pretty decent and they are consistent through the store. So if you open any art, you will see the same mock-up, right? For example, this one with the sofa. Oop. For example, this one, right? No success just yet, because it's not that simple. And you can see that these sellers are trying to sell it for $1, $2, 18 cents, but still, it's not that easy, even with this price. So very high competition and a lot of work. This is the reality for you if you want to sell prints generated by Midjourney AI. Well, okay, forget about it, forget. But did you hear about POD, print on demand business? We can use art generated by Midjourney and use it in the POD business. Huh? How about that? Yeah, right. Well, you know what? POD, print on demand business, has been around for years. How do you plan to compete with 1,000 sellers who have reviews, who have budgets for ads, who have strong social media presence? And what do you have? A picture generated by Midjourney that you don't even know how to enlarge to get a good quality for print? Don't get me even started. We can put any topic like mom t-shirt and we will have something around 1 million results on Etsy. Although I'm not saying that all these prints are generated by Midjourney. No, they're not, because it's just text. But the competition is crazy. So it's not about Midjourney here. It's just about how can you compete with all these sellers. I'm not saying that you can't. Of course you can. But you need a good strategy. Today, you also need budget for ads because you will need to buy ads. For example, all these people, it's the ad. People actually come on Etsy to buy things. If you're trying to create your own website, for example, and sell through your own platform, it's way harder because you need not only to bring people to your platform, you need to make them buy your things. And you can see all those tutorials about how to set up your POD business. And it's not the hard part. Believe me, you can just open Printify, for example, and it's very simple. Very simple. You don't need a course or tutorial on how to do that. What you need is good marketing. And no one will teach you that because it is where the money is. Don't forget about ebooks though. I heard about a girl who sells 1,000 ebooks per minute. You can do the same. Just use Midjourney and ChatGPT together. All right, Midjourney gives you nice illustrations and chatbot writes a poem for you or a book for you. Actually, it is awesome. You can create a book like this and give it as a present to your grandma or to your little niece. But as a business idea, questionable. Like, really? Ebooks from no-name author? You know, I wake up every morning and first thing I do, downloading an ebook. Random one, just random. From a person that I don't know. Yeah, I do that. I think you do too. And all people do that. Why? Because they're stupid. That is what you're thinking? That people are waiting to read any random ebook you create? If it is your strategy for this business, good luck. We see this was created by Midjourney. This is created by Midjourney. This is created by Midjourney. This one. And did you notice that most of them don't have any sales, any reviews? Let's just open this one, for example. So we have 0 reviews, we have 1 sale, and probably it's the sale that was made by the seller just because you don't want to show 0 sales. If we go to the Fantasy by Alex, wow, Alex has 4 books. All these books were generated by Midjourney AI, and you can see it because Midjourney has its own style and you can recognize it. The text was generated by ChatGPT, of course. Alex is trying to sell his books for $2.16. Etsy takes 20 cents per sale plus 6.5% per sale, plus you will pay around 3%. Because it's payment that goes through Etsy payments. So does Alex earn something here? I don't think so. Another example, and you can see the funny thing is, for example, this illustration, it looks decent, but when you are trying to see others, you can see that it it doesn't look the same. It's like it was created by different creators because you can see this one and this one. I mean, they look alike, but also this one, the noses, it's like there were a competition where a few people were trying to create these 2 siblings, and they were like, I think they will look like this. No, I think they will look like this. Or maybe like this. Or maybe like this. What's wrong with his eyes? What's wrong? Anyway, he's trying to sell it for 99 cents. Again, it's for nothing. The store has 5 sales. What else? Okay, this is my favorite. The Power of 6 Habits for Achieving Peak Performance and Success. I know who would like this book. I think she has already read it, by the way. But again, I swear to you that this book was created by ChatGPT. You already know that. Getting rich with Midjourney or any AI without putting any effort is just a pipe dream. Midjourney is a great tool, of course. But success requires more than just AI generated content. You need marketing, you need strategy, and you need a hard work. So instead of wasting your time watching all these videos, just open a real book about marketing and learn a few things. But before you open that book, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.